Hello, you're welcome to my class once again. Please kindly remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Now, today we'll be looking at examples with more than one differential rule. We are asked to find the derivative of this function and this function. Now, in our last classes, we'll be looking at quotient rule, chain rule, and what? Product rule. So today, looking at this problem, what rule do you think can be used to solve this problem? I'm giving you 5 seconds to give me an answer. Good. If you just said quotient rule and chain rule, then you are correct. We are going to make use of the chain rule and the quotient rule to solve this problem. Now, that does not mean we cannot make use of product rule. We can make use of product rule to solve this problem, just that we need to redefine this question. So join me, let's solve this together. First of all, we need to reconstruct the numerator to be this 1 plus 3x squared raised to the power of 2. Remember that this is the cube root of this. Another way to write cube root is just to the power of 1 over 3. 2 times 1 over 3 will give us 2 over 3 all over x. So we call this our u and this our v. Now, this is now looking like what? Quotient rule. So we are going to make use of the quotient rule. Says v du over dx minus u dv over dx divided by v squared. Let's carry on. So we are going to now say our dy dx is now equal to, that means we are saying this is equal to y. Our dy dx will now be, let's write down our v, which is x, then differentiate the numerator, which is 1 plus 3x squared all raised to 2 over 3. Now let's call this y. If this is y, then this is function of a function where we say u. Let u, remember, if you know you don't know how to solve using the chain rule, go back to my previous video. You see we solved on how to use chain rule. So u is equal to 1 plus 3x squared. Therefore, y will be equal to u raised to the power of 2 over 3. The chain rule says that the y dx is equals to the y du times du dx. So what's my dy du? My dy du over here will now be this times this 2 over 3u. If I subtract 2 over 3 minus 1, I will get minus 1 over 3. So we carry on. This dy du will now be 2 over 3u raised to the power of negative 1 over 3 times du dx simply means I'm differentiating this related to x. If I differentiate 1, I will get 0. If I differentiate 3x squared, I will get 6x. Ha! You say 3 times 2, 6. Remove 1 from 2, you get 1. So that is 6x. If you know you don't know how to solve this, go back to my previous rule on my previous video on general formula and you'll be able to solve this. So times we have 6x. And this is now simply 2 over 3. In place of u now, I can now write 1 plus 3x squared minus 1 over 3 times 6x. So over here, you can now say 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So 2 times 2x will give us what? 4x all over. Now I want to take this down. If I take it down, it becomes 1 plus 3x squared raised to the power of 1 over 3. So that it will no longer be negative 1 over 3, but it will now be what? 1 over 3. So let us continue. So this is v du dx. I differentiated the numerator and my answer is this. So times 4x all over 1 plus 3x squared raised to the power of 1 over 3. Now let us clean this. So now minus u. My u is this 1 plus 3x squared raised to the power of 2 over 3 times dv dx. The v is x, so differentiate x, you get what? 1. 1. Everything all over what? V squared. Our v squared, our v is x, so it is what? X squared. Let us continue. We start simplifying. Actually, you are done, but you cannot leave the answer like this. So we need to what? Simplify. Now, how do we simplify? Let us go. Let us first of all start with the numerator. Now, the numerator, I'm having something like this. I have 4x times x will give me 4x squared all over 1 plus 3x squared raised to the power 1 over 3 minus 1 plus 3x squared raised to the power of 2 over 3, because this times 1 is the same thing, all over what? X squared. And also this is over 1. Now, let us get the LCM. The LCM of this and this is this, so I have 1 plus 3x squared all raised to the power 1 over 3. Then this divide this will give us 1. 1 times this will give us 4x squared, and this negative sign. This divide this will give us back this. So we are now left with multiplying 1 plus 3x squared all raised to the power 1 over 3 times 1 plus 3x squared all raised to the power of 2 over 3. Now recall indices. If you are multiplying and the base are the same, what do we do to the powers? We add the powers. So it will now make us to have 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3, which will give us 1. So we will now have minus 1 plus 3x squared raised to the power of 1, which is the same thing as 1 plus 3x squared. We'll continue. Now this cannot be written as times 1 all over x squared. So we now have this to be 4x squared. Open up this bracket, you have minus 1 minus 3x squared all over this times this, we have x squared times 1 plus 3x squared all raised to the power 1 over 3. This is now equals to 4x squared minus 3x squared will give us what? X squared. We are left with x squared minus 1 all over x squared times 1 plus 3x squared 1 over 3. So this is our answer. We are now left, we said 4x squared minus 3x squared gave us x raised to the power of 1, x raised to the power of 2, then this negative 1, then all over this. So this becomes our what? Answer. So the derivative of this is what? This. So what you do for me now, you will solve this question. Now how do you solve it? Looking at this, you realize that this will make use of the function of a function, which is the chain rule and the product rule. Product rule in the sense that this can be x to the power 1 over 2. This is like times 1 plus 2x squared. Remember, the product rule states that u dv dx plus v du dx. So I would like you to solve this and put the answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.